Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have all the money they need and others are always broke? Now here's a head-scratcher. It's not always about who earns more. Often it's about who understands money better. The world of personal finance is a vast ocean, and navigating it requires more than a simple compass. It's about managing what you have, not wishing for what you don't. So, get ready, folks. Yes, it's all about personal finance, and that's what we're going to dive into today. Imagine two friends, Alex and Ben. They both earn the same amount, but Alex always seems to have money while Ben is just scraping by. Let's delve into their worlds to understand why. Alex, on one hand, is a savvy money manager. He's not a millionaire or a financial genius, but he understands the fundamentals of personal finance. He saves a portion of his earnings every month, no matter how small. He knows the importance of having a safety net and the power of compound interest over time. Alex also invests part of his money. He's no Wall Street whiz, but he's learned that investing, even in small amounts, can lead to significant gains in the long run. He's patient, understanding that the stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme but a long-term wealth builder. And let's not forget about budgeting. Alex plans his spending. He prioritizes needs over wants, ensures he's not living beyond his means, and allocates funds for his future goals. He treats his budget like a roadmap, guiding him towards financial stability and success. Now let's turn to Ben. Ben lives for the moment. His money slips through his fingers like water. He's not big on saving, often reasoning that he'll start saving next month. But we all know how that usually turns out, right? Investing. That's a foreign concept to Ben. He considers it too complex, risky, and time-consuming. He prefers the instant gratification of spending his money now, rather than the potential benefits of growing it for the future. And as for budgeting, Ben sees it as a restraint, not a guide. He spends without a plan, often buying things he doesn't need, and sometimes stuff he doesn't even want. His financial decisions are driven by impulse, not strategy. As you can see, the difference between Alex and Ben isn't about how much money they have, it's about how they manage it. Now let's take a look at how Alex sets his financial goals. Alex doesn't just say, "I want to save money." Nope. He's smarter than that. He sets SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means the goal is clear and well-defined. For Alex, that's saving up for a new gaming console. Measurable means there's a way to track progress. Alex knows he needs about $300 for that console. Achievable means the goal is realistic. Alex plans to save $10 a week from his part-time job. Relevant means the goal fits into his larger financial plan. Alex has budgeted his expenses and knows he can spare that $10. Time-bound means there's a deadline. Alex wants to have enough saved in about 7 months. So setting smart financial goals is the first step towards managing your money wisely. But setting goals isn't enough. You also need a plan to reach them. That's where budgeting comes in. Think of budgeting like a roadmap for your money. It's a tool that helps you navigate where your money goes each month. Now, let's consider our friend Alex. He used to buy whatever caught his eye, leaving him with empty pockets at the end of each week. But then he discovered the magic of budgeting. He started by jotting down his income and expenses, which gave him a clear picture of his spending habits. He then set a limit for each category: essentials, wants, and savings. This helped him control his impulse spending and put aside money for his goals. Over time, Alex found that he was not just saving more, but also spending more wisely. He was making his money work for him, not the other way around. So budgeting is not about restricting your spending. It's about making your money work for you. So what have we learned today? We've unraveled the importance of understanding personal finance. We've discovered that setting smart financial goals isn't just a grown-up thing, it's a smart thing. And we've dipped our toes into the art of budgeting, a skill that's as essential as, well, breathing. So let's put these lessons into action and become the financial wizards we were meant to be. Remember, it's not about how much money you have. It's about how you manage it. So start your journey towards financial literacy today and make your money work for you.